Welcome to this introduction of PullbackPro by TrendPulse. Have you ever been in a trade or tried to trade a lower time frame only to realize the larger trend turned against you? Traditional indicators zoom you in so close you lose the big picture. PullbackPro by TrendPulse lets you see market action from a distance, the full terrain, while still responding instantly to short-term moves. You'll never be lost on the trail again. Pullback Pro transforms 5 Elliott Wave Oscillator timeframes into an intuitive natural landscape. Mountains suggest bullishness, and prices are moving higher. Deserts suggest bearishness. Streams and rivers show perfect pullback opportunities. And the horizon line tells you if you are in green meadows or craggy canyons. In addition, the horizon line also lets you know if stormy weather is ahead. Pullback Pro provides unprecedented insights into trending markets. See the forest, the trees, and horizon all at once so you can enjoy the view. Now let's learn how to read the terrain. Pullback Pro transforms market action into a living terrain. Let me show you what each element means. Trees. The two green histograms represent the minute and minor trends. This is the forest. Mountains. The three green shaded areas represent the intermediate, primary, and major trend. Increasing mountains is bullish momentum, building across multiple time frames. The taller the mountains, the stronger and more durable the trend. Streams and rivers. The blue pullback zones appear when the short-term trends pull back. Streams and rivers are usually V reversals and high-probability winning trades, provided the EWO line stays above the horizon line. Streams and rivers are the perfect time to go mining for gold. Lakes. When the intermediate, primary, and major lines fall below the zero line and remain blue, you're seeing longer-term consolidation. A lake always represents a complicated pullback. Just like any lake, it takes time to traverse. Look for retracements to fall between 50% and 61.8%. After the pullback begins to resolve itself, you're in shallower waters. The shoreline is in sight, and you see trees emerge. This might be the end of the pullback and a great time to go long. Deserts. Red and orange terrain means bearish momentum and very deep and complicated pullbacks. This is hostile territory for long positions. Stay defensive or look for short opportunities. Oases. Why are green trees and small hills appearing in the desert? That's an oasis, a short reprieve of falling prices. An oasis is a potential reversal trade setup. They represent a low risk, high reward, short sell setup. A small resting place in an otherwise inhospitable trading environment. And here's the game changer. This line at 0, that's not just a reference point, that's your horizon, and its color tells you everything. The horizon is your intelligent confidence meter. It changes color based on how many of the 5 time frames are aligned. So what do the colors represent? Very bright green means all 5 time frames are bullish. This is maximum conviction and may indicate a powerful reversal in trend. While rare, they move with power. When you see this, you're in green fields and have a visual confirmation a new trend is beginning. Bright green means 4 time frames are bullish, high conviction, and strong trending. Medium green means 3 time frames are aligned, which represents moderate conviction. Light green indicates only 2 time frames are bullish. There is low conviction or a fading trend. A minor pullback is likely. Gray represents cloudy conditions and potential storms. Choppy and unclear conditions may lie ahead. This is a good time to adjust your stops. Red tiers work the same way on the bearish side. Light red means 2 time frames are bearish or declining. You may want to start getting defensive. Bright red means strong bearish alignment, shorts only, or stay out. Pullback Pro's innovative use of the 0 line lets you immediately understand market internals and see beyond the horizon, transforming how you trade. Let's talk about the Elliott Wave Oscillator line, or the EWO. The EWO line is your momentum guide and compass. When the EWO line is above the horizon, you're in bullish territory. When it's below the horizon, you're in bearish territory. The line's position relative to the horizon tells you which side of the market has momentum. We recommend only trading long when the EWO line is above the horizon, and only shorting the market or stock when it's below the horizon line. Watch for the EWO line crossing the horizon. These crossovers signal potential trend changes. But remember, the power of Pullback Pro is seeing the EWO line in context with the landscape around it. A stream or river is only valid if the EWO line stays above the horizon. This rule provides the best opportunity. That's how you separate minor pullback opportunities from long drawn-out corrections. The EWO line also changes color to give you critical warnings. When you see orange on the line, that's a bearish divergence. Price is making higher highs, but momentum isn't confirming. This warns of potential tops. When you see cyan or light blue on the line, that's a bullish divergence. Price is making lower lows, but momentum is strengthening. This signals potential bottoms. And those blue zones, the rivers, lakes, and oases we mentioned, they only appear when specific pullback conditions are met. The blue color highlights where the smart money accumulates during healthy pullbacks in trends or where reversals may be forming in opposing conditions. That's PullbackPro, your trading Sherpa. Its simplicity is what makes it so powerful. It is visually intuitive and actionable. The 5 Elliott Wave Oscillators transforms market action into mountains, deserts, streams, rivers, lakes, and oases. With an intelligent confidence meter built into the horizon line and a dynamic EWO line that displays areas of divergence and pullbacks, you'll never get lost again in trending markets. No longer will you miss the forest for the trees. No more drowning in long and complex pullbacks. You can finally see the forest and the trees, the big picture and the perfect entry, all at once. Mountains and deserts show you the market bias. If you want to increase your odds of success, follow the adage, the trend is your friend, and only trade in the direction of the trend. Look for entry points when you see small streams and rivers resolving. Always look to the horizon, and remember, brightness means conviction. The EWO line is your compass and will show you divergent price action. That's it. Navigate from a distance, respond to short-term moves, and never get lost on the trail. Join the countless traders who are already using PullbackPro to navigate momentum with clarity and confidence. Works on all markets, all time frames, stocks, crypto, forex, futures, day trading, swing trading, scalping. PullbackPro is available exclusively on TrendSpider. Take advantage of the free 5-day trial. Scan multiple signals to narrow down on opportunities. For more training, visit our YouTube channel, and thank you for learning about this innovative and intuitive market oscillator.